In 1961, Heinrich Heule founded Heule Precision Tools on solving an advanced deburring challenge, delivering precision machining on the front and back of simple and complex contour bores in one continuous operation. Today, Heule has become the world's leading manufacturer of precision deburring and counterboring tools. Heule delivers precision hole finishing solutions for some of the world's largest automotive, aerospace, medical, machine manufacturing, and specialty machine tooling shops. Manufacturing precision tools in their state-of-the-art facility in the Swiss Rhine Valley, Heule offers a complete range of front and back deburring, chamfering, and back counterboring tools such as KOFA, BSF, Snap, and VAX. Heule's deep experience and commitment to quality delivers a multitude of benefits, eliminating multiple tool changes, minimizing machine downtime, optimizing work processes, leading to substantial cost savings. Heule Precision Tools supports customers across the globe, including Germany, Asia, and North America. Extensive inventories enable rapid delivery, technical support, and on-the-spot customer service, attested by Heule's ISO 9001 certification, underscoring our commitment to quality and service. Now in our third generation, Heule Precision Tools continues to provide deburring expertise to the world's top manufacturers. Heule Tools, over 60 years of Swiss precision.